Hello friends, our today's activity is mosaic. In your art book you will see that you have this image which is drawn. You will need different color marble papers of your choice, golden paper and some sequins. Now I'm going to cut the colorful marble paper and also this golden paper in square or rectangle or triangular shape. So very roughly and very randomly. First I'm going to cut some strips out of these marble papers. And then I'm going to cut some rectangular or square shapes like this. See, can you see? They are uneven. Some are rectangular, some are a bit square. Some you can even cut triangular. We are going to glue these shapes on the design. So if you are prepared with some of these, then good. If you want, you can cut simultaneously when you are sticking. So let's start. Apply glue. So we'll start gluing these papers. Thick and thin on the shape. See, now this is a very small space, so this thin rectangular shape is helping me. You can use different colors for each part. Like I'll start with the red color first, then I might use a blue color in this part, then a yellow, a purple ear, maybe a green on the face. I'll keep the lips red. So it's up to you, it is your choice. So in every part I will use different cutouts of these marble papers. Okay, so see, I have used a marble paper and I have finished gluing each part with different color marble paper. Somewhere I have used long rectangular strips in some shapes. For the eyes I have directly cut the shape, and similarly for this decorative earpiece that the mask is wearing. Now I'll start the same process with the golden paper. So I'm going to cut squares. And this golden paper will look very nice. I want to use the golden paper here. I'm applying the glue. We will cover this with golden paper, so this becomes like an ornament, and it has started to look very nice and shiny. Just put one more in the center to make it decorative. So I finished gluing this. Now over here in the center I'm going to cut a triangular shape. Somewhat like this. If you want, you can also glue it inside like this, or create a design, or just decorate it, because this is a headgear like a crown, so it can be shiny. So I've just finished gluing all the golden paper and my mask is looking really shiny. Now we have some sequins with us. You can glue them in any part of the mask you want. I will glue it around here, but it is your choice. So my mask with mosaic technique is now ready.